I wanted to make a video about the fuel pump and the fuel sender because I keep forgetting how they work. This pin is hot for the fuel pump, and that's ground for the fuel pump. These three are the fuel sender. The outside two are 5 volts, and the center is the output that goes to the fuel gauge. And you see the color code. The black is 5 volt ground, red is 5 volt hot, and yellow is the 5 volt output from where the wiper sends the voltage out. My fuel gauge quit working, so that's why I went through all this. If you plug this in, then the fuel pump will run, and I don't want to make a mess, so you can unplug it. It's right there. Just unplug it, and then you can plug in the connector and let the car drive the fuel sender. And then there's another trick to get the fuel sender off. It engages these little slots, and this little tab you have to push down to get it off. So, and before I get to the next one, this thing I've patched up. All the wires in here were rotted off, so I soldered in some band-aids, and they've been working so far. The little nut there came off, so I found one and pinched it on there, and so far it seems to be working too. So to get this on, you put it in there and slide it forward till it clicks, and then we'll plug that guy in. And then to check it, you ground this little black one, and 5 volts positive on that, and then read the output here. That should be good enough. Come on, baby. Yeah, it's reading. Yep, that seems to be pretty consistent. Okay, so you go check it in the car. So mine seemed to quit working just because I disturbed it, and all I found was a loss of continuity between this wire and that wire in the center. I checked continuity from here to here. This was good, that was good. This one was dead. Just corrosion and crap all in the little connectors. So if you pry that little plate up and then flick this down and pull the pin out, you can de-pin it and scratch around on it and try to get it cleaned. I sprayed it with some favorite conductivity junk fixer stuff. I like this stuff. It seems to help. So I'll go test it in the car and hopefully it'll work.